And now to the cryptocurrency market as Bitcoin hits new record high, $69,200. Bitcoin touched $69,200 on Tuesday, surpassing its previous record of $69,000 set in November 2021 as investors continued to invest in the U.S. Listed Bitcoin ETFs and expectations for the reduction in the Federal Reserve's fund rates grew as much. While investment totaling billions have flowed in since SEC approval of 11 sports BTC ETFs in January. Bitcoin also saw benefits ahead of the halving event scheduled for April, during which the reward for mining will be halved. This event is expected to reduce the growth rate of the supply. And quickly, let's talk about Bitcoin amid the increase and a sudden decline in recent times after touching an all-time high. Let's move to the crypto market and see what the price level is this morning in the cryptocurrency market. The price of Bitcoin up next. And now prices in the market has been that dramatic. Bitcoin, after reaching $69,200 in the market, an all-time high since November 2021, has dropped to 67,292. Market is moving quite fast, but this morning it went back up, gaining 3,937 points, 6.24%, indicating the standings in the market quickly as it is. And the traction also talks about Ether at 3,862 US dollars in the market, and it comes in quite clearly and quite importantly, an increase of 337 points. Also talking about Binance at 411 US dollars in the market, gaining 16 points, a 4.05% in the market. Cardano, on the other hand, gaining also, and it's been that of positivity in the market, and the traction that comes with it and the popularity of it. Well, talking about Bitcoin and the excitement that comes with Bitcoin, a guest joins the show this morning, Mr. Bassey Manifest. Mr. Bassey Manifest is a Web3 tutor and has different perspective in the market. Talking about the angles that comes with it and the projection that comes with it. Bassey, good morning. Good to have you on the show today, joining the conversation talking about Bitcoin as the drive of the price gets higher and higher. What's driving the market in the crypto world this morning, talking about Bitcoin getting to an all-time high after reaching $69,200 yesterday?
Okay, what is really making Bitcoin now increase in price is that there's an increase in the volume of a BTC ETF being traded on the stock exchange. So there's an increase, so investors are coming into the markets.
So many investors are coming into the market talking about ETF. Then the idea would many people will have to ask is, what is this ETF all about, and why is it so important that people are pumping in money into the market?
Okay, the ETF gives investors, mainstream investors, the opportunity to buy Bitcoin as a share, and the share are being at par with the price of BTC. So they are being given the opportunity to buy BTC. So that's what the ETF does. It gives mainstream finance investors the right to buy BTC, not needing to go through exchanges, because most of them are afraid of these exchanges like Binance and the rest. So they feel more comfortable buying it from the stock exchange or the brokers.
Right, it makes sense from that angle. Many investors are interested in the ETFs and buying more and more from it. But one other conversation that's been making rounds has been that of the halving. The Bitcoin halving will be coming up in this year, April, and it's quite exciting. Bassey Manifest is exciting to talk about a halving. Many people has been making news all around, and one of the drive, according to different reports, has been that of halving, propelling the market now to move forward. So what's the halving all about, and what's the expectations now?
Okay, the halving it happens every 4 years. This is when the reward of miners are being divided into two, because Bitcoin works on a proof of works. So any transaction that they have to verify, they need miners, and every miners that gets to verify every transaction on the blockchain, they are being given reward. But this reward is being slashed into two every 4 years. So right now, making supply go down and making demand goes up. So that is what the halving is all about. This is when the supply of BTC goes down and market demand skyrocket, like what we're seeing right now. BTC moving up in price because of the demand. And one of the most amazing thing about BTC about the economics in BTC because of how limited it is.
So what are we looking at next now for Bitcoin? Because the price now has hit an all-time high of 69,000, even breaking to 69,200. So moving forward before the halving in April, what are the expectations?
Okay, the expectation is that as for now, we can see that BTC has hit the all-time high and has gone back for a healthy retracement. There's always been there will always be an healthy retracement to go back up to hit the all-time high and break it. So like it will break the all-time high and exceed it.
All right. Thank you, Bassey Manifest, for being a part of the show and giving some insights regarding Bitcoin and the traction